Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming the exact restricted scope make. COM reports because precision matters. Once identified, open the Google Cloud Console and pick the project tied to your make. COM connection. Make sure you have an OAuth consent screen configured with app name, logo, privacy policy, and a valid contact email. These fields prevent automatic rejections. Also add authorized domains and set test users if you're not publishing. This first step sets the foundation, so Google understands who you are and why you need access. Next, create or edit the OAuth client ID and include make. COMs redirect URIs exactly as shown in make. Once done, request only the minimal Gmail scopes required. For example, prefer send-only scopes over full mailbox read if feasible. If you must use restricted scopes, prepare the verification package. Clear justification, step-by-step screenshots of the consent flow, and test account access steps. This documentation speeds Google's review. Make sure to add your test users under the consent screen to allow immediate reauthorization during testing. Finally, submit the OAuth verification if Google requires it and monitor the Cloud Console review status. Responses can take days. Once verification is approved or your consent screen updated, revoke the existing make. COM connection and reauthorize using the updated OAuth client so the new scopes apply. Test common Gmail actions inside make. COM to confirm success. If something goes wrong, a quick troubleshooting tip. Open an incognito window and reauthorize with a test user, then check the Cloud Console error log.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.